Welcome back to a brand new video. I tried recording this with my camera, but as you can see, the volume is not working. My mouth and the camera is going to be off because this is a voiceover. Just wanted to thank you guys so much for watching this video, for being a part of my channel, just sticking with me even though I haven't been the best at being consistent at all. The reason why I was gone is just because we lost a lot of family, and these are people who I grew up with since childhood. I was very close to them, and it all happened within a matter of like 3 weeks, I think, or a couple weeks. It was a lot. It was hard. We're doing good, me and my family, and thank you guys for all of the messages, all of the prayers, and the well wishes that you guys sent us through my Instagram or YouTube or anything like that. And I just want to thank you guys for that. I appreciate it so much. There's so many mosquitoes outside, and yeah, that's why I keep swatting or moving my hand around. There's so many mosquitoes. But yeah, I just decided to go for a walk. As you guys know, the girls are with their dad right now in California. Anyways, the next video, I really want to do a solo camp, so I'm undecided where to go. Unsure, but I really do want to do this solo camp because a long time ago, that's what I was really into. I used to do a lot of solo camps, and I miss it. I miss hiking. I miss camping. I just really want to get back into it, get back out there and make memories with my kids. I hope you guys have a really good weekend. See you guys next time. Peace.